Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And the market has been absolutely devastating, and I think everyone has been a bit down recently. Some people might be absolutely buzzing, buying all these juicy discounts. Everything has been absolutely insane. You guys have probably seen Terra Luna about a week ago. It was $75. Now Luna is 0.0001. Market has been absolutely insane. It went from being a top 10 to a 214 rank in the entire market, which is absolutely insane. And I just want to let you guys, I want to just do a reminder. You guys are in this market to become financially free. And you've got to be smart in this market. You don't want to just throw your life savings into the market. You don't want to just put your house up for sale and take all the money and put it in the market. You don't want to be like that. I'm going to stop you guys there for just 1 second. This is a different type of video, so please give me feedback in the comment section down below. And if you do like making money in crypto, stocks, however, please hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up to this video if you really enjoy it. Now let's get back to the video. Thanks, guys. Has this affected me at all? It has. It has affected me, but I'm like in an emotional state where I can take it. I can handle it. I got into the crypto market in 2021, around February. I experienced the May 2021 crash. And that began when Elon Musk tweeted. You guys would probably know about that if you're around that time. He tweeted, whole market went down, and it was absolutely insane. And I wanted to quit. I wanted to get out. But I saw my money go from about $3,000 all the way up to about $40,000 in about 2 months. I didn't sell. My $40,000 went back down to about $5,000. So I was still in profit. Just about even. I did put more money by then, so I was about even, didn't make much or anything like that. And I kept going. I was reading books, listening to podcasts, changing my mindset, watching YouTubers. I was talking to people in like Discord and just meeting people in this crypto space who has so much knowledge and information. You want to suck it from them. You want to talk to them every day. You want to learn. You want to experience this. Things like this are the things that teach you. If you were in Terra Luna and you lost money, don't be upset about it. Use it as a lesson. Like, you will be upset. I know it's hard. It's bad for me to say that because I wasn't invested in Luna, and it's unfair for me to say don't get upset. But honestly, these type of things are the best lessons you'll ever learn in your life. Some of the most successful people on this world have gone through failure after failure after failure. And look at them now, they're at the top, billionaires, millionaires, they've all failed, they've all done things and they wanted to give up, but they didn't, they carried on. And in this video, I just want to give you guys some of my education that I've been through, maybe some books you guys can read, some things you can do, like listening to podcasts, books, watching YouTubers, just getting yourself to learn and how to find things to educate yourself. Before I show you these books, you could probably see my dog just here, just chilling behind me. Cute dog, I know. So this first book is very meaningful to me. It honestly does change your mindset big, and it's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You can actually get this for free on Spotify. You can just listen to it if you like, or you can purchase it off like Amazon or whatever. I'm not going to put any referral links in the description. But Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. He is a genius. The book's amazing. It really does change your mindset about investing, about business. He went from being a poor lad to one of the richest people around. Amazing book. It's celebrating 20 years of being like the best financial book ever. So I truly do recommend this being your very first book to read. I've read it. I love it. I recommend it to everyone. And he does have several other books, which I'm going to pick up eventually. I actually do have another one of his books right here called Fake Money, Fake Teachers, and Fake Assets. So I've only read a little bit of this. I'm still going through this one. And he just explains to you how money is fake, like it is, how your teachers are teaching you fake crap, what assets are fake and what assets aren't fake, because people invest into things thinking they're assets and they're investments, but truly they're really not. I haven't read it too much, so I can't really give my review on it, but so far it's amazing. It's Robert Kiyosaki, absolutely amazing guy. You can even subscribe to him on YouTube if you like. But Fake by Robert Kiyosaki, I really recommend reading this one. I've got this book here called How to Think Like an Entrepreneur by Daniel Smith. It's quite a funny cover. It's got like a banana on it. It just teaches you things about social media, build up a brand, scale up, play long term, dream big, seize your moment, and that type of stuff. And I think it's really important that you guys read stuff like this. Just read everything that's about money, entrepreneur, business mindset, all that type of stuff. It really does help. Especially in times like this, books like this can really help. It can really boost your mood. It can get you educated a bit and all that type of stuff. This book here I haven't read yet, but from what I've heard, it's just It's amazing, right? So you've got The Intelligent Investor. And a lot of you have probably either read this book or you've heard of this book. One of the Americans' bestseller. It is based in America, so I'm a UK, so this book might be a bit hard for me to read in terms of like the terminology they use. Like they use a lot of like dollars type of stuff, but I have over the year transformed my mind to use dollars rather than the pound while I'm dealing with cryptocurrency. So it shouldn't be too bad, but I have heard this book is one of like a harder one to read than normals, so keep that in mind. This isn't just for like a beginner. But if you are someone who is in crypto or stocks, whatever, and you want to learn more, educate yourself more, and you are in the space for quite a while, this book I truly do recommend. I've not started it myself, but I've heard it's got really, really good reviews. So I really do think you should pick it up. Even Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, has recommended to read this book. I apologize, I can't give a good review on it because I haven't read it yet, but I definitely think it's going to be a great read. It's sold millions, and I see it in like every YouTuber's story and all that type of stuff. So yeah, that's just some of the books I'm going to recommend. I do have some others, but I haven't read them, and I don't want to just bring up books I haven't read. But that's just something you guys can do to yourself to train your mind, to keep yourself motivated and active, to keep yourself moving in this market while either the prices are low and you're not making money. Just keep learning. The best investment is investing in yourself, whether that's reading books, whether that's listening to people who've in business, whether that's listening to podcasts, whether that's listening to YouTubers, whether that's like maybe going to the gym to build up your fitness, which I am doing myself right now. I've just been in the gym, just got back. But doing things like this during the bear market will change your mindset. It will help your fitness. It'll just help you entirely to get your mind on the right track. And I know it's hard to think, oh, market's down, I've lost loads of money. I know it's tough, it's hard, but if you do these things, it will truly help you. And I really hope some of you guys listen to this and just have a little think. Maybe instead of buying a Starbucks coffee in the morning or that McDonald's breakfast, you might spend that money on buying a book or buying educational apps, whether that's maybe we're buying tickets to like events to go see people and talk to them, whether that's buying a gym membership and going to exercise to, just make yourself happy. Once you're healthy and happy, it really does help you. Like going to the gym does really motivate you. Even though I don't go too much, I am trying to push myself, to keep going. You need to be focused, you need to keep grinding it, keep doing it. So guys, there's not really much to this video. I just wanted to say, because I've not been around and you guys can see the market is not looking amazing. Today's actually not too bad. It was a lot worse the last couple of days, and that's what I've been doing. I've been looking at the market, seeing how things are going on in my own personal portfolio, talking to my friends, making sure they're okay, because I know some of them invested in Luna and have lost heavily, but I've also talked to others who've made a lot of money in Luna with the recent dump of Luna. So there's two worlds. You can't make money when things are going crazy. You can also lose money when things are going crazy. It's one of them. And hopefully, like reading these books, listening to podcasts, listening to people will make you change your mindset where even the bad times are the good times and the good times are also the bad times. You've got to think both ways. And I really do hope you guys have listened to these words here. It's a nice little laid back video, some little tips and tricks with these books here if you do pick them up. And guys, just be safe out there. Don't invest money you cannot afford. I don't want to say stupid, but don't be stupid, please. Be smart. Don't invest money you can't afford. Don't put up your house into whatever. Don't leverage your house. Don't be silly. There's people who've done that and, they're just not happy, right? Yeah, guys, that's the video. If you did enjoy this type of content and you want more of this type of stuff, please do leave a like and subscribe. I'm quite new to just giving a bit of advice in terms of like books and gym and motivational talks on this channel, so I'm going to try do more things like this and get better at it. So I might suck at it right now, but I'm just being myself and chilling out. The next couple of videos, I've got some crypto stuff coming out, some NFT videos to make and all that type of stuff as per usual, and then I'm going to probably do a story about myself, just tell you about my life, how old I am, all that type of stuff. Some of you already know, but I just want to get you guys to know who I am. Make this channel something that you guys can use to help yourselves, something that will help me to grow as a person, and I want you guys to be on this journey with me. So yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's go on this journey together. Peace out, guys.